Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we discuss about the implication equivalences. Here some of the problem formulas are there related to implication equivalences. Here implication equivalences formulas are used to solve the implication related problems. So we have to remember all these formulas for completion of our problem. Here first formula is P implies Q always equivalent to negation P or Q, and second one is P or Q equivalent to negation P implication Q. Third one is negation of P implication Q equivalent to P and negation Q. Here fourth one is P and Q and of P implication Q and P implication R equivalent to P implication Q and R. Fifth one is P implication Q or P implication R equivalent to P implication Q or R. Here sixth one is P and R and P implication R and Q implication R equivalent to P or Q implication R. And seventh one is P implication R or Q implication R equivalent to P and Q implication R. By telling you and explaining like this, you didn't understand these formulas. This has to be applied on the formula, and I will explain you by taking an example and using these formulas to complete our upcoming problem. So here implication equivalences is the main thing is first when the implication and by implications compound statement we see, we have to first of all changes into and or negation type. Then we have to use the truth table to find the problem. Okay, so let us take an example here. Here given that verify A implies B and B implies C implies A implies C is a tautology using implication equivalence. So here given that, let us start the problem. Given that here A implies B and B implies C implies A implies C. Let us do it is in the form of B implies Q. So we know that B implies Q is the equivalent to what? Equivalence to negation P or Q na. So by comparing this we write in this form. So here it is taken as P, it is taken as Q. So it is taken as P, it is taken Q, taken as P and taken as Q. Here P means negation Q or B means Q means B na. So here negation A or B and negation B or C implication negation A or C. Now take it as P and take it as Q. Here it is in the form of P implies Q, that is equivalent to negation P or Q. Here only we see that. So negation P means negation of negation A or B and negation P or C, or Q means this one, so negation A or C. Here applying here the double negation law. Double negation law means what? Formula negation of negation P equivalents to P. So applying here negation law or De Morgan's law we can say, that is De Morgan's law, that is what? Negation of P or Q equivalents to negation P and negation Q. It can be applied here. So here negation of negation A or B here changing, here negation of P or Q means negation P and Here or is there, here replacing and na, so here also here and is there, we have to replace or. Negation of negation P, B or Q, or negation A or C, but this writing here on. Here we have to apply here double negation law. Negation of negation P means P, so here negation of negation A means A. Here or is there, we replace, and negation of or means and negation B, or negation of negation B means B. Here or is there, we have to replace and negation C, or this one negation A or C. So we know that if here implication by implication are there in the compound statement, we have to change it in the form of and or negation form. So here we have changes this one, here we have changes this. So from here we have to use the truth table. We have to use here truth table. Use truth table. So here what are the variables have here? A, B, C, and here and C. We know that the formula, that is 2 power n. Here how many variables have? We have 3 variables, so we write 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means 8. We have 8 cases here. So we have how to write 8 cases means, you can see here. First one, you have to write 4 T's and 4 F's. B means 2 T's, 2 F's, 2 T's, 2 F's, single T, single F, single T, single F, single T, single F, single T, single F. These are the 8 cases. You can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 cases for this problem. Here first of all, you have to find the negation A, negation B, and negation C. Negation A value means opposite to all A value. That means here false, 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 and true, 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 true. And B means opposite to B values. Negation B means false, false, true, true, false, false, true, true. And negation B means opposite values to C, that is false, true, false, true, false, true, false, and true. Here first of all, you have to find here in the question, get what? A and negation B, that is A and negation B. Here A values is there and negation B values is there. In between we have to apply the what connective? And connective. In and connective we know that if P value, Q value, 2 are true, then only whole statement is true. In other cases it will be false. We have learned that. So here you can see here A value is true. Here you can see that here A value is true and negation B value is false. False. Here A is true, negation B is false. So we get what value here? False only. Get false. And A value is true, negation B value is false. We get false only. Here A is true, negation B is true, it is true, and A is true, negation B is true, true only. Here false, false is there, false, false, false is there, false, false, true is there, false only, false, false is there, false, false is there. That means false, true is there, false only. This is the values for A and negation B. Now we have to do the B and negation C. Here B values is there and negation C values are there. We have to apply here and. As we know, if 2 truths are there, then only the whole value is true. So here true and here negation C is F, so false. True, true is true. False, false means false. False, true means false. True, false means false. True, true means true. False, false means false only. False, true means false only in AND case. Now we have to find the negation A or C. We have to find negation A or C. So here negation A values is there and C value is there. In AND we have to, if two statements are false, then only the whole statement is false. In in OR connective. So here negation E is false, C is true means it is true. Here true or false means false. 1 is true, 1 is false means true. True or false means false. Two truths means true. This also true, this also true, and this also true only. Here we find out the negation A and negation B, B and negation C, and negation A and or C values. Here you can see here these three compound statement values we have find out. Now in between we have to place for OR connective. In bit 3 we have to place the OR connective, that is here write A and negation B, or B and negation C, or negation A or C. So these are the values now. In between we have to place what? OR connective. In OR connective, if 3 are false, then only the whole statement is false. So here in 3 we have 1 true, so it is true. Here also 1 true is a true. 2 truths mean true only. 1 true is true. True. Here also true. This in the also true. This also true. Here E and negation B, or B and negation C, or negation A or C. You have to find this value. So here we find out these values. Here all are true means in the if a compound statement in which the values of its truth tables all are in true means what we know that is tautology. So in the given question he asked that verify this statement given form is a tautology. So we have verified that it is a tautology by using the see here using implication equivalence, and we obtain this form, and by using this form here we applying truth table and find out the value of this one, which is a tautology. So hence we have verified this. Hence we verified the above problem. Hope you like the video guys. Like, share, comment and subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified every update from my Smart Studies YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you people like the video. Keep supporting me by subscribing the YouTube channel, and like, share, comment and click the bell icon to be notified every update from my Smart Studies YouTube channel. Thank you guys.